Hello, in this video, I would like to demonstrate about the master data template which I have downloaded from app. Now, let us look at different sheets. Here, in this sheet called config, I have listed out what is the account type and different types of roles in our association. Similarly, what are all the square feet, flat square feet in our apartment, and also number of blocks could be A or B. In case you do not have multiple blocks and you have just only one block, just mention that as A block. And also I have mentioned some of the roles which we follow in our apartment. And similarly, in the apartment sheet, I have mentioned what is the apartment name, what is the address, pin code, and email details. In owner tenant details, owner tenant Excel sheet, I have mentioned all the owner names, owner email, owner phone number, WhatsApp number, block, flat, square feet, tenant name, if any, tenant email, tenant phone number, WhatsApp number, everything. If there is any car number, just mention all the details along with the dues. This dues is including current month. In case this owner is association member, just mention that as a yes. If yes, mention his role as well. These roles will be listed out from config. Whatever you have mentioned the roles here, right? President, secretary, treasury, vice president, and member. So you just select accordingly. In the similar way, fill the details of your bank account. And in the set maintenance, just mention for each square feet, for 1125 square feet from January month from 2017, and the maintenance is 2500. In case if maintenance is same for all square feet, mention for other square feet as well. Here I have mentioned for 1200 and 1125. And similarly, mention the data for balance sheet as well. Balance sheet is nothing but from your association currently till today how much money each member have. If you look at here, he is the one of the association member, he is the treasury, and he belongs to A block, and he belongs to flat number 201. Right now he has 1254 rupees. Similarly, fill the details for other association member as well. And expenditure, in the expenditure, just maintain last 13 months of monthly maintenance, which means in the month of 2018 and November, what is the monthly maintenance? In the month of October and 2018, what was the monthly maintenance? Similarly, fill the details of last 13 months of maintenance. This is monthly maintenance. I'm not talking about the complete expenditure. I'm talking about the monthly maintenance. And also fill the details of your staff. What is who is your staff? What is his name? What is his phone number? What was his role? And what is his permanent address? And what are all the ID proofs he has been maintaining? And what how much salary you are giving, since when he is working. So this is how you can fill the details. Once you fill the details, just save this Excel sheet to your mobile. So I request you to fill all these details in Windows Mission, that because this Excel has been loaded with macros, Excel macros. It will guide you to fill the details. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great day.